Hello, my friends. Today we are going to learn the transpose function in Excel. So what is transpose function? Transpose function in Excel is a useful tool for changing the orientation of a range of cells. Or you can say that when you want to change the direction, from horizontal to vertical side, you want to change the vertical data into horizontal, or the data in horizontal style to convert to vertical style, then you use the transpose function. It allows you to convert rows into columns and vice versa. This can be handy when you want to reorganize your data or perform calculations on transposed data. So we have this data. You can say you can see that we have this data columns and rows. Now I want to convert and put these values in a row and these values in a column format. So first of all, you have to select the range where you want to bring the data as transposed. You have to select the same range of rows as they are in the origin data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then also we have two columns, two rows and 5 columns. Now equal, and then transpose, and now select the range of data which you want to convert or which you want to transpose, and now close the bracket. Now normally when we when we want to have the results of a function, we press the enter key, but in transpose case we use Control Shift and enter. Now you can see that our columns are now in rows form, and these are the values which were in column form. Now they are also in the rows form. Basically, we converted the data from vertical style to horizontal style. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video tutorial.